Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue that if the assessment proceedings of an assessee is going on and the assessing officer comes to know that the assessee is no more in existence, then even after this information, if the assessing officer go ahead with the assessment of that entity, then whether as per law that assessment order will be valid or not. Although in the case of death of an assessee or in amalgamation the law is very clear and there are numerous cases in which the courts have said that the notice or the assessment in the name of a non-existent entity is not valid. But the purpose of discussing this case is that in this case, this is not the case of a death of an assessee or an amalgamation, but this is a case of an strike-off company. The name of the case is DCIT versus KCJ Buildtech Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 112 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 36, and the date of the judgment is 15th May 2024. The present case relates to the assessment year 12-13 to 14-15, and in this case the notice under section 153C was issued to the assessee on 28th March 2018 and the assessment order was passed on 26th December 2018. The chronological events in this case are very important. The assessee company has applied for the strike-off of the name from the roll of Ministry of Corporate Affairs on 6th July 2016 and the company was strike-off on 16th January 2017. And the fact of this strike-off came to the knowledge of the assessing officer during the assessment proceedings of another company, that is NVI Limited, and in that assessee the assessment order was passed on 19th December 2018. So it was clear that on 19th December 2018 when the assessment order in case of another assessee was passed, the assessing officer was well aware of the fact that the assessee company's name has been struck off from the register of companies and that company is not in existence. In spite of this knowledge, the assessing officer went ahead with passing of the assessment order in case of the assessee on 26th December 2018, that is after the date of the assessment order of that other company from which the assessing officer has to came to know about the strike off of the assessee company. But the assessing officer passed the order in name of the strike off company. The assessee carried this matter to the appeals, and when this matter came to the tribunal said that it is a trite law that no notice or no assessment can be done in the name of an entity which is not in existence. The tribunal said that passing of assessment order in the name of a non-existing entity is a jurisdictional error which cannot be rectified. The tribunal also said that in the present case, issuing the notice and completing the assessment proceedings in the name of a non-existent company makes the entire proceedings of the assessment vitiated and are liable to be quashed. Friends, this case is very important, but in this case my input is that in case the revenue moves to the ROC and makes the application for the revival of this company, that is from the strike-off to the normal, then in that case the law is that if the company is revived off, then all the liabilities of the company become active from the date when the company has been strike off. So in that case the circumstances may arise that this assessment order again gets live. So if the income tax department gets this idea, then it may happen that they may move to the ROC for the revival of the company. At the end of this video, once again I am Repeating the name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus KCJ Buildtech Private Limited, and this case has been reported in 112 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 36, and the date of the judgment is 15th May 2024. Thank you, friends.